Right guys, Limehouse police station, live. This is where the officer that killed the dogs is from. The one that's nearly got 1 million signatures. And this is the police station they come out of, guys. Front counter's shut. Obviously it is very late, so I'm probably not going to get front counter being open. But it's so sad to know that this was where, when dogs sadly passed away, an officer from here. But look at that phone. Wow. Thanks. I'm with London Audits, guys. Do subscribe to him. And we're live in Limehouse. This is the last location of the day here in East London, guys. And we have asked a lot of questions today. And obviously, guys, this is where that officer done it. He's based here. So it's an absolute disgrace what happened. And then nearly having 1 million signatures to complain about this. We're good to get some questions in. And also I can't be here too long, guys. It's going to be dark and I don't know how much you're going to be able to see. Girl with the camera, big respect. We thought it's only right, guys, that we come here and try and get some answers today, because it's so shocking. And this has been a very hard police station to find, guys. East London, it's a very difficult place to get to. But we had to come here. Thanks to Girl with a Camera and Brandon Mitchell for getting me here. They helped me fund me here, because I wasn't going to do this till next week. But thank them very much for helping me on the road. And this is my last location of the night. This is number 8. And I'm so glad we've ended here, because this place is an absolute disgrace. But this is all we could do, guys. I know it's late. Might be worth revisiting in the future, but I thought that's why I'll bring you it live. So if you can hit that like button, guys, and like we said, we want an open dialogue. But yeah, I'm definitely going to grill them. Anyone that comes out is definitely going to get grilled here, because it's absolutely shocking, guys, with them dogs. Yeah, thank you so much, Girl with a Camera. But look, guys, East London. East London. It's a very pretty place to walk around, guys. I won't lie, East London. Do you know what I mean? We're not far from Canary Wharf. And I've got to say, all the bits and pieces I've done in London, East London does stand out. It is a pretty area. Under the map. Let's see who we can get out. Fire some questions. And try and get an open dialogue regarding the shocking behaviour from the police officers from here. And it's not acceptable, guys. And we need to stand and say this is not right. So we're going to wait around. There's a lot going on. We've been here 5 minutes. Obviously that's the second ambulance, guys, within 5 minutes of being here. And if any of you can, if you've got a community page, please do share this live. We are going to stick around till it's dark, and then I'm going to head home, because this is definitely going to be my last audit of the night. There is officers in there. I can see windows open. So, you know, something's happened, guys. Something's definitely happened here. I apologise if it's a wind noise, guys. It's just getting late. And it's cooled down a little bit. It's been red hot today, isn't it, London? Yeah. So far it's a little bit quiet, guys, but we're gonna wait. We are gonna be patient here. We're here at Limehouse. Do you know what I mean? Is that what you did?
Yeah.
So they're palming you off
Yeah.
to...
You know about Gators, yeah.
Oh yeah. They're palming you off to Bethnal Green here. We just done Bethnal Green, guys. Gypsy's first time doing Bethnal Green. We done it. I ain't been Bethnal Green since I was a child. So yeah, like we said, guys, it might be quiet for a bit, but I'm sure something will happen here. And it's East London. This is JJ Town. I see JJ was on the live earlier, and I hope JJ pops in because he knows this area. But it's East London. Thank you for all coming in. Hit that like button. This is the 3rd ambulance in 6 minutes. The street lights are on, look. That's how dark it's getting here. Such a shame that our front counter's shut, but it is a Saturday. But I had to come here. My subscribers and my very, very loyal people, Brandon Mitchell and Girl with a Camera, got me here. So I have to do this one in respect of my great subscribers and great followers. It was only worth getting down there, and I've had a very productive day auditing wise, and this is number 7 and the last one. So all obviously with the street lights on, guys, I don't know how much longer we can be here. I think there's a car there idling.
I think there's a good, yeah, there's a headlight.
Hit that like button, guys.
Just leaving straight away. Very likely could, but he's worth.
They're coming out now, London.
Yeah.
So we've got a car coming out, guys. We're hoping for some interaction today regarding the case of the dogs. A shocking story. So this is their back gate, and there's a lot of unmarked cars there. Big up Under a Blood Red Sky. Thank you for coming in. Must be like the end of shift now, guys. Look at this, they come down like lunatics out of here, guys. Cheers, Ash, for coming in. Bear with me, guys, while I sort these mods out. I've got a couple of mods in there now. Under a Blood, you're a mod now. Alright, so that must have just a little bit of shift change there, maybe. I've modded him now. Under a Blood Red Sky. That's another ambulance. Under a Blood Red Sky, you are a mod. But yeah, we're gonna wait out, guys. I'm sure something will happen here. James Jameson's so like funny how he changes his minds, but he's a mod anyway, because I'm crazy. If all of you can, please do hit that like button, and please share this video if you can, please, guys. Even if nothing happens here, we're here in response of these dogs that have passed away, and my subscribers wanted me to do this, so that's why I'm here, guys. Even if it's quiet, we're still here and we're trying. Do you know what I mean? It's not an easy place to get to, East London, from where I'm from, but I'm here, guys. And if any of you want to become a member, there's the link. I actually do offer members a proper thing this time. Exclusive videos, live streams, once a month. I'm going to do like a member thing, maybe a giveaway in the future. JJ and Rebel, big respect. No name coder. Much appreciated, all of you being here. We've been here 10 minutes, guys. We're going to wait a little bit longer so we can get any form of interaction. I think they're just laying low because of obviously the heat on them, guys.
He knows those police officers aren't people,
Yeah, maybe phone calls if they want.
you know, but
If my members want phone calls of me once a month, they can have it.
giving them, you know,
For sure.
the ones who took verbal abuse, which are
But look, as we know, the street lights are on. I know, I see you was under a blad. I'd love to have you a member again.
yeah.
I'm actually offering proper stuff now. And I hope you guys are interested. It's only $1.99 a month. Do it if you can. Big up Blicky Miss in the house. Do subscribe to London Audits, guys. He's here with me, look.
Yeah, if you just subscribe to Gypsy Auditor, you can.
Here he is, look.
It's on 15,000 subs.
Look at London Audits outside Limehouse, look. What a good picture. Do subscribe to him, guys. No, yeah, there ain't. You're right. No public information. The yellow phone's broken. There's no front counter open. It's an absolute disgrace here, guys. And that's even without putting aside the story about the dogs. So that's where it is with that. And what it happens is, because they know the heat's on them, they're just going quiet. But we will stand here until we get an interaction, because they can't hide away. They've got all the windows open up there, so for sure they can hear us.
Please pick that window.
Probably is, you know.
Still can't get it.
Big respect to all of you guys. Hit that like button, become a member if you can. It's much appreciated, all of it. Nothing is guaranteed on YouTube, you know, so it's all much appreciated. But I know I'm out here grafting, so is London Audits. We've been many 100 miles today on these trains, tubes, and we got a little bit of a journey getting back, but as long as we get back by midnight, we can get home this time. I'm definitely not walking home, guys. On these trains, tubes, and we got a little bit of a journey getting back, but as long as we get back by midnight, we can get home this time. I'm definitely not walking home, guys. Well, I will say, guys, to add to my video at Limehouse, this is where the police officers did shoot the dogs, guys. This was where it was. So it's absolutely disgraceful. And I just thought I'd show you the place, and you know, rest in peace to them poor dogs.